It is Tuesday, March 26th. And we got a reorder in today and a couple new little colors on our Woobles. We love a Wooble. This is learning to crochet for beginners. It has the yarn, it has a step-by-step video, it has a pre-started piece, it's already started. You get a crochet hook, the stuffing, the plastic eyes, a yarn needle, and online instructions. What? You can't beat it. This is a new Boogie Bjorn, the Narwhal. He's a multicolored narwhal, pretty darn cute. And this new packaging, this is Billy the Unicorn. Love a unicorn, these shiny packages. Can you see them? I guess you can. All the Woobles are $35.95. This is Pierre the Penguin. We haven't had him, I don't think. And this is a restock, but we haven't seen Felix the Fox in a while. So Felix the Fox has arrived. Tomorrow is our last social knitting in March, and we decided that would be the day that we would have our anniversary party tomorrow night, our 20th anniversary party. So join us for social knitting from 5 to 7, and we'll have some treats and just good conversation. It will be nice to be together and reminisce about our 20 years. And also we will be awarding the showcase winners in the categories that they entered. So who won each category. So we will have that announcement tomorrow night too. So that will be a good thing. So tomorrow will be the last day to vote before 5 o'clock. So if you haven't voted, come do so. All right. It would be great. I just blew the sidewalk from all the pine pollen. So I kind of feel like I'm in a cloud of green. I thought I had on a green shirt, so maybe I got away with it. I don't know. I came in and I couldn't even see out of my glasses, so I had to give them a scrub. Anyway, it's life. It's all good. Spring. Spring in the sandhills. All right. Have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.